Popular trend. Now, cryptocurrency lovers are reluctant to make tattoos on their body. The crypto ecosystem hosts several loyal followers who have their favorite cryptocurrency logo engraved on their skin for life. Over 900 people worldwide have tagged themselves with Bitcoin. B tattoos, while Dogecoin and Ethereum tattoos are on the rise. This study analyzed Instagram hashtags and Google search volume, revealing crypto tattoo researches have increased by 222%. Even though price action is still in a lackluster state, more and more crypto enthusiasts are trying to get ink with the crypto logo. For the first cryptocurrency followers, Bitcoin tattoos have been around for almost a decade, while influential Bitcoiners are fast as ink. Didi Taihuttu, a Bitcoin showman and father of the Bitcoin family, was an early adopter of Bitcoin tattoos in 2017. His tattoos represent fandom and no longer a part of the system. Anita Posch, a Bitcoin writer and podcaster, has a lightning bolt tattooed on her forearm. He explained in a German language Bitcoin documentary called Human Bee that tattoos represent energy. As a recipient of a recent Human Rights Foundation grant distributed to Satoshis, Posch is a passionate advocate for the Lightning Network. While Dogecoin is well outside the top 5 cryptocurrencies, it remains the second most popular search cryptocurrency tattoo with 700 monthly searches on average. However, the interest in 2021, Dogecoin is clearly waning. The big peak in the search for Doge tattoos in early 2021 has since dropped. Although Doge's biggest fan, Elon Musk, continues to popularize the currency. Plus, some of the Dogecoin tattoos on Instagram are stretches of the original Shiba Inu dog logo. As for cryptocurrency tattoos, the Ethereum logo of the octahedron is a diamond-shaped geometry feature that is lacking in tattoos with only 6 Instagram posts.